Hello students, welcome to UJC IT lectures. In the last lecture, we had seen how to insert audio and video in HTML5. Today we are going to learn image mapping. So let's start with the topic image mapping. An image with multiple hyperlinks is called as image map. Image map is used to connect links to different regions on the web page. There are two types of image mapping. The first one is client-side image mapping and the second one is server-side image mapping. We will confine only to client-side image map. So let's start with the client-side image mapping. The tags used to define client-side image map are image tag, map tag and area tag. Let's start with the image tag. The image tag is used to insert an image on a web page. To create client-side image map, useMap attribute of image tag is used with value which is preceded by a hash symbol. The next tag is map tag. It specifies name of the image used for client-side image mapping. It has only one attribute, that is name. The value of name attribute is the value specified in useMap attribute of image tag. Map tag is a pair tag. Next is area tag. It defines specific clickable regions. A given map tag contains multiple area tags. Area tag is a singular tag, so no need to close area tag. The attributes of area tag are href, shape, alt and chords. The first attribute is href, which is used to define the URL to which the clickable region within the image map navigates. The second attribute is shape, which is used to define type of shape. It can have values rect, circle and poly. The third attribute is alt, which is used to specify extra information about clickable area. The last attribute is chords, which is used to specify coordinates of the shape. The first shape is rect, which specifies a rectangular region with 4 coordinates. The second shape is circle, which defines a circular region. It requires 3 coordinates. The last one is poly, which defines a polygon region with coordinates specifying each point on the polygon. Now we will see the example of image mapping. First of all, create one folder and paste one image file with the extension .jpg. Open the text editor, that is Notepad, and start with the HTML tag. HTML head title. Give the title and close the title tag. Close the head tag. Start with the body tag. Body bg color equals to red. Next, h1 tag. h1 align equals to center. The h1 tag is the largest level of heading tag, which is used to give alignment to the text. Next, close the h1 tag. Next, we will write image tag. Here, src equals to name of the image file along with its extension. The next attribute is useMap. This specifies an image as an image map. It will create a relationship between image tag and map tag. The value of useMap is always start with the hash symbol. The next attribute is alt, which is used to give alternative text. The next attribute is height and width. The height and width attribute will set the height and width of the image. So we will start with the next tag, that is map tag. For creating hotspots, we need to create a map. So we will write map tag. The map tag is used to define an image map. The value of name attribute is same as the value of useMap attribute of image tag. Inside map tag, we are using area tag. Area tag is used for creating hotspot areas. For creating rectangle, we are going to write shape equals to rect. The rectangle contains total 4 coordinates, that is diagonal points of the rectangle, which is left top corner and bottom right corner. The next attribute is href, which is used to create hotspot. That means to which page it will move when we will click on the rectangle area. Next is alt, to set the alternative text. Again we are writing area tag for creating a circular region. We are going to write shape equals to circle. Same attributes href and alt. Here first.jpg and start.jpg, these two files are local files. That means that are already available inside our folder. Next, for creating polygon, we are writing shape equals to poly. Here we are leaving the space for chords. We will write the value of chords later on. Next, close the map tag, close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Now, save this file inside your folder with the name imagemap.html. For creating different shapes, open your image using Paint application. First, draw the shapes, that is rectangle, circle and poly. For rectangle, you will get the coordinates from left top corner and bottom right corner. For circle, you will get the coordinate exactly on the center of the circle. That means x-axis and y-axis. The third coordinate for circle is the radius. For polygon, we are drawing here a triangle. So you will get total 6 coordinates for this polygon. Now take the coordinates properly, which is displayed on the status bar. Note down all the coordinates properly. So for rectangle, you will get total 4 coordinates. For circle, total 3 coordinates, and for polygon, total 6 coordinates. Now write all the coordinates inside your HTML file. For shape equals to rect, total coordinates will be 4. For shape equals to circle, total 3 coordinates. The third coordinate is radius. You can give any number. For shape equals to poly, total 6 coordinates. Now again we have to save this file. Go to your folder and check your output. Right click on the image map, that is your HTML file. Open with Internet Explorer. You can check the hotspots by clicking Tab button from the keyboard. When you click on the rectangle region, you will get the first .jpg image which is already present in our folder. When you click on the circular region, you will get the start.jpg file. And when you click on the polygon region, you will get the google.com web page. So this completes the concept of image mapping. For notes on this topic, please check the description box. Thank you.